So there will be a question, uh, what is automatic recording and manual recording? How to do manual recording and automatic recording? So we have seen the option. If you click on this recording option, if you click any basic or desktop, so if you are using this particular option, record, no, that is called automatic recording. Okay, because after clicking this record button, and wherever no you are taking your cursor, and then that particular option will be captured. Okay, but what is manual recording? So if you are using this option, that is called manual recording. Okay, so let's go back to Studio. Okay, and so here now I'm going to use one more sequence, that is manual recording. Manual recordings, and so I'm going to use same desktop application, so any teller, and this is my desktop application. Okay, and go back to Studio, and here I'm clicking on same recording option and desktop. Okay, I'm going to click on desktop, and here you see there is option. Okay, so this is automatic and this is manual recording. If I click, so now first what I want, so first I need to open this application, right? Then I need to click on the start app, then click on start app. Now capture it. The first step is captured. Okay, then I want to click on this withdraw button. Okay, then you have to use this click button, right? Then select this click and select this click and then select it. That's it, that's done. Now what next? I want to type something here in the check 1 check 2. Then what is active for it? Then click on typing 2, then click here type and go and click here. So let's say 2000, then press enter. Okay, then again I want to type check 2, and again click on type and go here and type 1200 something, then click OK. Then again I'm going to click on accept. Before that I need this account number. Then click on text, and so there is a copy text, set text, and there is a copy also, there is a copy and copy text, and screen scrapping, because this is, we cannot copy it, and this is a screen, and I can use to copy that account number, screen scrapping. Click here and go and highlight that particular option, and this will be captured. Okay, this is a screen scrapping, then finish it. Okay, now I am going to save it. Now you see all the steps are captured, because we have captured in separate options using the manual recording buttons. Okay, so here the last, it's captured the text, and just I'm going to display those texts in the message box. Just drag and drop and click here, and what is the variable of it? Windows from static A. So you can change your that variable also, right? Now I'm going to close this application, and then now you see, and go and run file, click on run file. So now it's entered no everything, and then here it's captured the account number and it's displayed. So this is the difference between manual recording and automatic recording. See, if someone says what is where I can see the manual recording option, you can say, so after clicking on recording button, and if you select any one of the recording options, and you can find those options next to record buttons. Okay, and that's it.